Here's how to hide banking apps on iPhone iOS 18. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can hide banking apps on your iPhone device. So just to be sure, you have to be on iOS 18 for this tutorial. If you're below that, you actually can't do that. So I would suggest upgrading your iPhone to iOS 18 to the latest iOS because you'll be easily able to hide your banking apps. So, in order to hide your banking app, I'm just gonna show you for an example. I actually don't have any banking apps, so I'm just gonna show you an example of an app. Let's say this Google Chrome app is basically PayPal or any of your banking app. So, what you wanna do with the app is just basically hold it just like that, and once you hold it, it will show you some options just like that. But you just want to go ahead and press on require face ID option just like that, and it will ask you two options: require face ID and hide and require face ID. So you gotta press on the second option called hide and require face ID. So once you've pressed on it, it will just ask for your face ID, and then it will ask you if you want to hide it. So I'm just gonna simply press on hide app, and here we go. So if a normal person that doesn't know, they'll try to search let's like your Chrome. I just hit my Chrome, and they won't be easily able to access it because you have basically hidden it, and they won't be able to find it anywhere just like that, right? So see, same for all the banking apps that you want to hide. So it just happens for all the apps, you know. So yeah, you can hide pretty much any app, your banking app, whatever you want you like to. And then if you want to find it, just basically go to your app library and then scroll down, and here you'll see hidden. Just press on your hidden, and it will show you the app. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to hide banking apps on iPhone iOS 18. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.